Here, the red color show the origin of the muscles, blue color represent the insertion of the muscle, and green color show the ligament attachment. The upper end of humerus mostly have the insertion of the muscles. The subscapularis muscle insert on the lesser tubercle, while the greater tubercle provide insertion to the three muscles. Supraspinatus insert on the upper impression of greater tubercle. Infraspinatus inserts on the middle impression of greater tubercle, and teres minor insert on the lower impression of greater tubercle. The lateral lip of intertubercular sulcus provide insertion to the pectoralis muscle, pectoralis major muscle, and teres major muscle insert on the medial lip of intertubercular sulcus, while the floor of intertubercular sulcus provide insertion to the latissimus dorsi muscle. The deltoid muscle is inserted on the deltoid tuberosity on the lateral border, and coracobrachialis insert on the middle of the medial border. Now looking at the origin of the muscles on humerus, the brachialis muscle arises from the lower half of anteromedial and anterolateral surface of the shaft. The upper two-thirds of lateral supracondylaris provide origin to the brachioradialis muscle, and lower one-third provide origin to the extensor carpi radialis longus, while the lower one-third of medial supracondylar ridge provide origin to the pronated teres muscle. The anterior aspect of medial epicondyle provide origin to the common flexor muscles, while common extensor muscles and supinator have common origin from the lateral epicondyle. Now looking at the triceps brachii muscles, the lateral head of triceps brachii originate from the oblique ridge of upper part of posterior surface above the radial groove, while medial head of triceps arise from posterior surface below the radial groove. The anconeus muscle arise from the posterior surface of lateral epicondyle,